You gotta do this in the bathroom just in case you throw up.
How does it taste?
Hot.
Nasty?
A little. But not as what I expected.
Drink a lot, then it'll be nasty. Yeah, you're gonna drink faster than that.
Got bits by those?
Okay. I think you're gonna do it.
Swallow.
Drink,
Don't throw up.
stuff,
Don't throw up.
You go to the bathroom, that's nasty. Don't do it in the sink.
I told him not to.
You gotta wash that sink out too.
Really good.
Fuck out it. Burn.
Really? Is that hot?
Yeah. Where'd you put it?
Dude, don't do that sink either. You go with your sock, that's nasty. You can't puke all of it up. If you're gonna puke, you have to puke after you drink it, not while.
That's your warning. Come on, you don't have much left. Don't throw up.
Much left, he's really drinking.
I know.
You might want to hurry before it all settles at the bottom. Then you're gonna have to eat that. Dude, talking layers, look at that.
It's not even moving.
Let me think of something good. Oh, chicken.
Black.
I know, black people, right?
Let's get some ice cream to clear him out of town.
Cinnamon? Not bad though.
I bet that burp tastes nasty.
I know, right?
Almost dead.
Huh?
Almost dead.
Maybe get your 50 cents.
Nuh-uh.
I was just kidding.
After you have to tell me what you put in here.
We're not sure. Just
See for yourself, Frank. You should know what I put in it.
You put sriracha in here? I know.
And cayenne peppers.
mm-hmm.
And the bottom's gonna be the nastiest part.
Yeah. Keep it up. You just barely have
Don't
it.
think about puking.
Yeah, just drink it all. You're like almost done. Just down it all. Now you can throw up. Wait, no, you still got some.
Stop talking, Anisha. Yeah, buddy.